Hello there, Samurai. It's DavinchyFX. Let's get straight into it. So coming into the market today, I have this analysis marked out because price was previously bearish, then it flipped bullish, flip back bearish, then it flipped back bullish. So at the same time, the motto of the Forex Samurai is reaction over prediction. So we predict to create our bias, then we react to catch our trade. That's for our entries. So now I have this point of interest mark looking if price gets into it by tomorrow London session specifically. I'll be looking to get a confirmation, then to buy this pair from this zone to this structural high. Moving on to the next pair, GBPUSD. So GBPUSD also is strongly bullish, giving the same signs of EURUSD. So they are giving us the same outlook, same bias. So just need to wait for price to get into our point of interest. Then we buy massively to this structural high, as easy as it can get. So that is that on this pair. Moving on to the next pair, GBPCAD. So for GBPCAD, I'm looking to buy from this zone to the structural high. So moving on to the next pair is USDCAD. So for USDCAD, it was previously bullish. It was previously bullish. It's TP, then it flipped bearish, then it flipped backwards. I was looking to catch the sales, then all of a sudden it flipped back bullish. So that's the thing. All you just need to do is react. If you don't get confirmation, no entry. So if I was looking to buy this pair, I would have looked to buy this pair from here. But at the same time, I would not be looking to buy this pair. Why? Because this is like we are at night already. This is market closed already. Not necessarily market closed, but there is low liquidity in the market right now. So since price is getting to my point of interest by this time of the day, there is a higher possibility that the price is likely to flip the script. That means to flip bearish if it was formerly bullish, and to flip bullish if it were to be formerly bearish. So it's not that something that happens every time, but it's just how I view the market, like what I have noticed based on my time at looking at the chart. So for now, the buy is supposed to happen from here to this structural high, and you can see the reaction from it already. But at the same time, if I come back tomorrow's London session, if this low gets taken out, I'll be looking to catch the sales on USDCAD. But for now, it is solidly bullish. Moving on to the next pair, USDCHF. So USDCHF also is at point of interest by this time of the day. So there's a likelihood that it might flip the script. But at the same time, we are reacting over predicting. So as easy as that. So if I was looking to trade this pair, I do not trade by this time, but I would have sold from here down to this structural low over here. As easy as it can get. So that is that for this pair. Moving on to the next pair is AUDJPY. I think this pair played out today. Okay, you can see. So I have a feeling that price might not play. I did not take this trade. Why? Because I did not get a confirmation. But for aggressive traders, if you took this trade, it would have been very beautiful. But the thing is, TP has not been hit before price started. That's why the best way to trade is to wait for confirmations. So you just need to get the hang of whatever you're doing. So moving on to the next page, GBPNZD. So I'm looking to buy GBPNZD actually, but at the same time, it did not tap my previous zone that I marked over here. So since it did not tap my zone and it gave me another BS to the upside, I'm just waiting I took off my order, then I'm waiting for tomorrow London session. So if I get an Asian accommodation, I'll just be waiting for London sweeping it, giving me a confirmation, then I'll be looking to catch the buys. But if that doesn't happen, I'm not looking to trade this pair. I have an entry here, but I'm not looking to take it because price broke the structure by this time of the day. But at the same time, I need Asian range, then a confirmation, then I'll be looking to buy from that point of interest up to this structural high. So that is that for this pair. So that means this pair is solidly bullish. Solidly bullish. I just need to sit on my hands right now. Sitting on my hands right now. So moving on to the next pair is what pair? Let's just move on to XAUUSD. So XAUUSD 2 is solidly bullish for now, and this is our structural high right now. So this is my point of interest marked. So if this high gets taken up by tomorrow, then this point of interest becomes invalid, but for now it remains solidly valid. So moving on to the next one is AUDCAD. So AUDCAD is solidly bearish for me right now. So this is my point of interest, which price has not gotten to, and to take a while. But if price does not get to this point of interest and breaks this structural low further to the downside, then our point of interest will definitely be changing. But for now, this is my outlook on AUDCAD, as easy as it gets. So moving on to the next pair is USDJPY. So AUSDJPY, okay, I think I looked at this pair already. So moving on to the crypto traders. Let's see. So crypto traders, BTC. So I did not take this trade because the same thing that happened on GBPUSD happened. So price was close to my point of interest. Then as of night, price broke further to the downside. Then I took off my orders here. Then I came back. Then I noticed price broke this structural items. So that zone automatically became invalid for me. So if this structural I gets taken out, then I'll be looking to buy. But for now, BTCUSD is strongly bearish. So if I come in tomorrow and I get an Asian accumulation, then the sweep of the Asian high without this structural high being taken out, then I'll be looking to sell to this structural low. But at the same time, I have a feeling this pair will flip bullish. But at the same time, I'm not acting based on feelings, but based on reaction. So moving on to the next pair, ETHUSD. So ETHUSD is solidly bullish right now. Solidly bullish. But at the same time, it has not come to a point of interest. So this is my point of interest on ETHUSD. If price gets to my point of interest, then I'll be looking to buy from this zone. My stop loss below the structural low, then to the structural high. So as easy as it gets. So see you lot in the next video.